Alright, hello everybody. Welcome back to Buck Does It. Well, we're back on the Cruda, and I thought I'd do a little short video here and show you, give you an update on what I've done so far. Ain't a whole lot in my eyes anyway, but I got a couple things going on here. I'm waiting for parts to come in, and then I need more parts, and I'm getting ready to do final assembly on the transmission. So let me get the camera off of here and show you. Got one brake line run there, all the way across. Got a T there. I'm waiting for line lock to come in so I can hook that up in there. I did get a manual steering box. I got that painted black. Just have that temporarily mounted because I'm waiting for an adapter here to go from the power steering to the manual. I've read where you can extend that shaft, but I didn't really want to mess with that. I'd rather just pay the extra money by the adapter. I think it's a whole lot safer. I got the master cylinder mounted. Got aluminum plate mounted in behind for stability. Well, that's just hanging on there finger tight. I need brake hoses, calipers. That hoses and that line's in there pretty good. But I took the brake caliper off of this side over here, and it only pushes in so far. So I thought, well, I better get some brake calipers anyway. I can always put rotors on later if need be. I guess check wheel bearings. I gotta do a whole lot of stuff yet. But we're getting, like I said, getting final assembly on. Get ready for final assembly on the transmission. My first transmission build, never did one of them before. So I still have to run brake line from here all the way back to the back wheels, and then I got to check all those brake lines back there too. I did get the seat in. I believe I'm comfortable there, so I believe we're okay. It can always be moved. I got the shifter over there. Waiting on the transmission to go in because I'm gonna have to make brackets for the hump and then drill a hole in the floor for the cable to go through. So that's about it really. I got this door off. I still want to take that door off, get the fenders and stuff off out of my way. So that's where we're at. Today I'm gonna concentrate on getting that transmission back together. Sure hope that goes well. Let me put you back on here and like I said, sure hope that goes well. So anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.